Yo YouTube, what is going on? Just a super quick video today to show you how to get Split Fiction for free on all platforms. This is available on Xbox, PlayStation, PC, Steam. As you can see, this is highly rated, this game, and it's pretty expensive. If you was to purchase it, it costs around $50 US. I'm going to show you a awesomely simple method on how to get Split Fiction for free on any platform, and this uses a digital game code, guys, that you can redeem on whatever platform. So it doesn't matter if you play on PlayStation, Xbox, PC or Steam, you're going to be able to grab a game code, redeem it in your online store of choice, and it's going to download the game. So you need to use your mobile phone for this, guys. So just open up the internet browser. It doesn't matter if you're on iPhone or Android, and you've got to go to www.robotcoupons.com. Now, Robot Coupons is a codes website, and they have pages and game codes for pretty much every game you can think of. You need to find the Split Fiction page, so just search for it here. Pretty easy. Split Fiction free game code. Scroll down. Now, as I mentioned, you can get a copy of Split Fiction for free on Xbox, PlayStation, PC or Steam. Apologies for the background noise if you can hear that. But yeah, anyway, you just need to select the console that you want to play on, and these game codes are limited. So when you click on your platform of choice, you will need to unlock your exclusive game code. Now, this obviously prevents people from stealing hundreds of copies and stealing these limited codes. So you need to unlock your code, guys. Now, I'm not going to do this. I don't want to waste a code, but when this reaches 100%, you're going to see a new screen, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. If this is your first time visiting Robot Coupons, you will likely need to verify you are a real person by completing a couple of these free tasks. But once you fully complete 2 tasks and follow all of the instructions, your code will be unlocked. So these stars will reveal your full Split Fiction code, and you can redeem it, in this case, in the PlayStation console, or the store, I should say, and it's going to get you the game for completely free. So that is how to do it, guys. It is super simple. You just got to go to Robot Coupons, find the Split Fiction page, and very important, take your time, fully unlock your code, complete all of the instructions, and that is how to get Split Fiction for free. So enjoy, smash the like button if you found this video helpful. If you need any help, just drop a comment in the comment section below, and I will monitor it and help you all out. And yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.